The Crusades put the European countries in touch with Asian countries. And there was a demand for cotton textiles, indigo, and spices in Europe. The European traders were on a quest to find out new routes to the Asian countries. Why? In 1453, the Ottoman Turks won the city of Constantinople from the Byzantine Empire. And so, the only land route that connected Europe and Asia was no longer accessible. Thus, the Europeans had to discover other trade routes to continue trading. This compulsion to figure other trade routes made the Europeans venture into the open seas. The invention of the mariner's compass and the growth of knowledge in geography helped the sailors venture further. Even kings and banks pitched in to finance voyages because the voyages cost a lot. It took a crew to keep a given ship or boat or brig afloat. And the crew needed food, resources, security. Those financing voyages ran a big risk, since ships were often lost to stormy seas and pirates. Spain and Portugal were the first countries to finance explorations. Bartolomeo Diaz, a Portuguese sailor, sailed along the west coast of Africa and reached the southern tip of Africa. Since the voyage was stormy, he named the place Cabo das Tormentas, or the Cape of Storms. It was later renamed to the Cape of Good Hope. This was remarkable because beyond the Cape of Good Hope was the Eastern world. Vasco da Gama, in 1498, went around the Cape of Good Hope and reached Calicut. An Italian sailor, Christopher Columbus, set out to find new ways to reach the East. He landed on an island and saw that its inhabitants looked quite similar to the ones described by Vasco da Gama. Columbus assumed that he had landed in India, and so he named it East Indies. Only later, another Italian sailor, Amerigo Vespucci, figured that Columbus hadn't found a route to India, but had actually discovered the sea route to a different, vast landmass. So vast that he called it the New World, which was later named America after Amerigo himself. More and more explorers set out to cross the seas, which were thus charted. In fact, it was so well charted that Ferdinand Magellan sailed around the world soon after. His voyage proved that the earth is round, contrary to the then popular belief that it was flat.
If you like this video and want to watch many more amazing videos like these, like and subscribe to our channel now.